Hi friends. Welcome to our channel English Learning. Today we learn about daily use English sentences to improve spoken English. If you like this video, kindly hit like button and share this video to all. This pen is mine. यह कलम मेरी है. This rose is beautiful. यह गुलाब सुंदर है. Don't you have any decency? क्या आपको कोई शिष्टाचार नहीं है? She bought a new dress. उसने एक नई ड्रेस खरीदी. Keep the change. छुट्टे रख लो. Do not wink. आँख मत मारो. She has a sweet voice. उसकी मधुर आवाज है. Are you speaking the truth? क्या आप सच बोल रहे हैं? He has been playing since morning. वह सुबह से खेल रहा है. Please give me your pen. कृपया मुझे अपनी कलम दें. I have been studying for half an hour. मैं आधे घंटे से अध्ययन कर रहा हूँ. She has a fever. उसे बुखार है. Hey, what have you done? अरे, आपने क्या किया है? He is coming by morning flight. वह सुबह की फ्लाइट से आ रहा है. A word too wise is enough. समझदार को इशारा ही काफी है. Where are they? वे कहाँ हैं? The matter has become serious. मामला गंभीर हो गया है. You are very good and honest. आप बहुत अच्छे और ईमानदार हैं. That is a big house. वह बड़ा घर है. This is my watch. यह मेरी घड़ी है. If you are watching this video on YouTube, then please subscribe to our channel, or if you are watching it on Facebook, kindly follow our page, and also don't forget to like and share this video.